Good morning, class 1. I am your computer teacher. Today we will be doing some practical part on the word application. I hope you remember how to open the application WordPad. Right. So you will all open the application WordPad. Now before coming to the topic, let's discuss what is this device called. Yes, this is called a keyboard. I hope you remember the spelling. Yes. What is this? Small little mouse. Right. This is called a mouse with a tail that is attached to the CPU. What is this device called? Right. Many of you must have said. Right. This is a monitor. And where is the brain of the computer? The brain of the computer is CPU, right? CPU, what is the full form? I told you last time, Central Processing Unit. So, and my Central Processing Unit is just behind the monitor. Many of you must be having a big box cabinet, right? Which is settled over here, besides the monitor. But mine CPU is with the monitor, so I can't show you right now. Right? So, there are 4 basic parts of the computer or the desktop. Number 1, monitor. Number 2, the CPU, which is at the back right now, the mouse and the keyboard. Now let's come to the topic. In this device, keyboard, there are 2 different keys. That is the backspace key and the delete key. The backspace key and the delete key both works the same purpose, and the purpose is to delete the letters, alphabets, numbers or special symbols when we are typing on the application, but they work in a different way. Now in my next video you will be able to see what is the use of this and how to work with the backspace key and the delete key, right? So let's see my next video.
So students, I have opened an application known as WordPad application. It is an application through which we are able to type letters, numbers and special characters which are there on the keyboard. Now when I am typing something or when you are typing anything on the desktop, laptop or gadget, you must be facing a problem that you have typed somewhere wrong. So, in order to erase those letters, those numbers, those special characters which are typed, you use backspace key. We use delete key. Now, there are 2 keys which helps us to delete or erase these letters, numbers or special characters. Number 1 is the backspace key. Number 2 is the delete key. Now, there is a difference between the two. With the help of the backspace key, we delete the letters, we delete the numbers, we delete the alphabets or the special characters from the left hand side of the cursor. Now, everyone raise up your left hand. Yes. Now, when I say the left hand side means the cursor, wherever is the cursor, it will erase from the left hand side. Now, let's come to the example. I am living in Delhi. It's perfectly okay. Let's say I I give another sentence. Computer is a machine. Now I know children I have done some mistakes. I have done 3 mistakes. Number 1 is the C. I have typed C. The spelling of computer is wrong. I have typed C 2 times. Now I have also typed A 2 times, and full stop I have used 2 full stops. Now let me erase all these 3 mistakes with the help of the backspace key. Now, where is the cursor right now? Yes, it is blinking over here. Now, use the on-screen keyboard. Let's open the on-screen keyboard so that it is much more clear to you. Now, where is the cursor? Over here. I'll use the left arrow cursor and want to delete the full stop. So I use what? A backspace key. Remember, a backspace key helps you to erase the letters, the numbers, the special characters from the left hand side. So where is your left hand? Very good. So in the same way, the backspace will erase from the left hand side. I click it. The moment I click, it erases from the left hand side. Very good. Now again I will go to the left arrow. Now can you see A? Now what is the spelling of A? A is single A. But by mistake I have typed two A's. So I'll erase it with the help of the backspace key. Yes, if you see, the backspace key erases from the left hand side. Again I am doing it. See, again I am doing it. There are two A's. The moment I click this backspace key, it erases from the left hand side. Very good. Now again, one more mistake is left out. Let me erase this. Small c should not be there, right? The arrow is, the cursor is on the in between small c and small o. I have to delete, I have to erase small c. So I use a backspace key and the small c erases from the left hand side. So this is how you will use a backspace key, right? Now let me discuss the second key, that is the delete key. Now what is delete key? Delete key erases letters, numbers or special characters from the right side of the cursor. Now raise up your right hand. Yes, it now the cursor, wherever is the cursor, it will delete from the right side of the cursor. Now I'll show one more example. Let's say example number 1. Let me show you the on-screen keyboard. What is the spelling of CPU? Central Processing Unit, right? C capital, Central Processing Unit. Now, you must have seen so many mistakes which I have done, right? I will be deleting it, erasing it with the help of the delete key, and will be correcting it also. And let's see what is the first mistake that I have done in the first word. Central A double A, it should be single A. Processing spelling is right. Now, can you see so many space, so much of space I've given in between the processing and the unit words. So I'll be deleting some of the space with the help of the delete key. And what is the spelling of the unit key? Unit, UNIT. It should not be UNET. It is wrong spelling. What is the correct spelling? UNIT. Right? So where is the cursor facing? Yes. So let me come to the left arrow. Now can you see this? Now what is the use of the right? What is the use of the delete key? It erases from the right hand side. So do I want to erase this letter? No, I want to erase E. So I'll shift my arrow key. What is the right side of it? E. Yes. So I'll use it. I'll click the delete key. You must have seen E gets deleted and I will type I. Now I will shift my cursor with the help of the delete key, and if you can see, all the spaces are erased from the right hand side. Very good. Now there is no mistake with the processing. I will use the left arrow key and will go over here. Now, where is the A? Where is the mistake in the first word? Central. There should be only single A. So, I have to delete this A, which is on the right hand side. I will delete it with the help of the delete key. Right? So, this is the working of the delete key and the backspace key. A delete key helps you to delete from the right hand side, and the backspace key helps you to delete from the left hand side, right?
Class 1. Homework for today is exercise C, take the right answer. Exercise D, answer in one word. Thank you so much.